Hey friends, hey y'all, I'm CoCoDenise if you're new here, and today I have another unboxing for Co-vember. Now, let me tell you about this unboxing. This is a second chance unboxing because I have purchased this before and I returned it, of course, because there was an issue with the bag. But I really want this bag. And I was watching a few videos and a few people said that as they continue to produce more, that the bags are starting to not look how my first one did with all those wrinkles. So I am hoping that I get a good one. Please, oh please. So I hope I get a good one. And in case you don't know what it is the Tory Burch Kira with the handle. Okay, I can't remember if information comes. It does. So this is just the receipt. Alright, so this is what y'all will see. I took the receipt out of it. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, well. In the box, and it says thank you. So then you just open the paper. I got it upside down. Pink Tory Burch. What is this? It's like, I guess that's little pieces of the box. Y'all, I am so scared. Please let this be a good one. Still have this bag that I don't like. It's a plain bag and then it just has Tory Burch in the drawstring. Y'all tell me. I think it's better. Yeah, I wonder what was the issue with that other bag. Now, there are going to be wrinkles in this because this is the leather, but it has a coating over it so that it doesn't scratch, from what I hear. That's one of the reasons they put the coating on it, is to assist with the scratching, because the leather is so delicate. Okay, for my birthday, come through Tory Burch. Get it? Yay! Okay, so I do see some wrinkling here, but that's just leather, you know. Does it say? Because I can't remember now. This is the Kira Diamond Quilt top handle in the color Blanc. And I'm pretty sure it's Napa leather, but I will correct myself and put it on the screen. It has the gold hardware, and it's a win! It's a win this time. Oh wait, I haven't finished, but let's see. What is this? Oh, that's the handle. That's the handle. Okay, looking good in the inside. Here, oh, it says Tory Burch down there. Okay, so on the inside it says Tory Burch here. It's a Tory Burch plate right there. And then there's an interior zip pocket. And then there's it's an open space. This would be the absolute best bag if there was a back pocket. Okay, I'm gonna take the paper off the handle, guys. You know what that means. That means she's a keeper. Doesn't it? It means she's a keeper. You know, I did not take the paper off the last one. Okay. I knew it. I knew this bag was meant for me. Look at it. Super cute. Super cutesy super demure, okay? Giving me the Chanel vibes without the Chanel price, but it's still very expensive.
I said what I said.
Okay? I'm waiting for something to come out. Maybe not even Coach. Maybe Kate Spade will come out with this exact same in the outlet version. I would love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay? I will show you guys what fit inside. I'm pretty sure I showed you that in the last video, but this video is a win. Look at my little beauty here. And I'm gonna show you guys what fits inside. So, we're gonna start with just things that I have. I have a pair of scissors. I have my S24, Samsung Galaxy S24. I have perfume. I got this from Australia, from the perfume gallery. I have a pad, which I need to throw this away. I don't use these anymore. I used the 100% cotton, but this is one of the old ones that I just have in my bag just in case, and I need to switch it out with what I really like now. And hand sanitizer. All right, we getting full, but I can take out the stuff I really don't use. We have my keys. We have cloth for glasses. We have the Fenty Heat. We have my lotion. That's pretty much everything. I will take a hair tie, and fits perfectly fine. It's a little heavy though with all that stuff in there. But again, I was just playing around and I put these scissors in here, which I would not need scissors. And then I put something else. I typically don't take the perfume either. This is what I would pretty much have in there. And then I usually have extra chapsticks. So I have these two. And this is what I would carry. Everything that I would carry, all this would be in there, and then I would just put my phone like here. Let me show you guys. So this is everything that I carry. I can squeeze a snack in here if I want to, and some gum, and I'm all set. I wonder, can he fit in here? This is an old pen I got from Australia. Yep, it'll fit. See, he fits. Look at there. It's a kangaroo pen, and he boxes. But he's broke. But what he does is, he used to box. Cute. Okay, so that's what fits inside of her. Cutesy. Love it.
Yeah, she thought she could do anything. Thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one. And if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low. Unlearning all that was wrong for me. And I wish somebody would've should've warned it. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. Didn't wanna have to face it, but if I don't know it's gonna break me, oh. Yeah, she thought she could do